As I put the clouds into motion, you'll find those clouds flaring up over Missouri and the eastern portions of Kansas into western Illinois this hour. And these clouds mean business. They are serious. We're finding thunderstorms this morning already. And it's, only 7 o'clock? So certainly an active morning, and it will be active all day today in this general vicinity of the country. We're finding more clouds over the northern Rockies, and beneath these clouds, we're finding some light rain around Kalispell and Missoula, Montana. Nothing all that heavy, certainly nothing compared to all the thunderstorms and heavy rain showers we're anticipating today over the Missouri Valley. The clouds are moving away from the west, so it should be a pretty nice day over most of Washington and Oregon and California, though we do have wind advisories in effect for Fresno, California, so watch out for the blowing of dust and sand there. We have a tropical storm out in the eastern Pacific. It's Tropical Storm Alma, packing winds now of 70 miles per hour. It continues to move to the west. Right now it's located about 1,000 miles southwest of Acapulco, Mexico, and because it's moving to the west, it is of no major threat to the lower 48, but without a doubt, we'll keep watching it for you very closely. A different vantage point of the cloud coverage in the northeast, some light clouds over central New York and Pennsylvania, enough to produce some light rain around Niagara Falls, but it is very, very light, nothing to get worried about. The temperatures are mild. It's already 63 degrees in Syracuse, 54 in Philadelphia, 58 in our nation's capital, Cleveland, and Columbus, Ohio. But the temperatures are in the 70s. It's almost 80 degrees in Miami. Closer to it, though, around Houston and Corpus Christi. Houston had a record high yesterday. Can you believe that? 91 degrees, tying their record, the second day in a row of seeing 90-degree heat around the Houston area, and the possibility of more than 90-degree weather again today. Notice the clouds and the rain showers as you get closer to Missouri, and those thunder showers throughout this area as well, getting closer to the general vicinity of the front. Now let's take a regional radar out of the area and show you just how busy it is in the eastern portions of Nebraska and Kansas this morning. Now the yellow, the orange, and the red shadings, well, they are indicating the isolated thunderstorms we're seeing this morning from Concordia, Kansas to Imperial. Even around Kansas City, Missouri, St. Louis reporting a thunder shower, even some thunder showers crossing over the northern portions of Oklahoma across around Ponca City, and even Harrison, Arkansas. They are all drifting off to the east, northeast at about 35 to 40 miles per hour. The temperatures are mild here too, already in the 70s throughout many regions, well actually in the 50s. Almost to 70 degrees in St. Louis. It's 66, 65 in Topeka, but a little cooler as you head farther north over Minnesota and the northern portions of Illinois. But it's the fog that we have to deal with. Very, very thick fog throughout the upper Mississippi Valley this morning. Without a doubt, this is the area that we will watch for the risk of severe weather today. Severe thunderstorm watch effective until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the area, shaded in yellow. If you live here and keep an eye to the sky, better yet keep it here to the Weather Channel, because we'll give you the latest information. This is nothing to be taking lightly.